So, what do you think? First time in the snow. Are you a fan? I can tell. You ready to head back for some hot chocolate? That's one of my favorite parts after spending a day in the snow. Curling up by a fire and watching a good movie with some of my famous hot chocolate. Alright, good. I think a storm is coming in anyway. The sky. Oh no. It doesn't look that good. I don't like that wind too. Maybe. But here in the weather, it can change pretty quickly. We don't want to be caught out. We should start heading back to the lodge. We can come back out tomorrow. Really? A snowball? I'm a killjoy. Oh, fine. You're on. What? You asked for it. No, almost. You almost got me. A little more to the left. You ready to call it quits now? Okay, alright, you win. I give up. Bravo to you, the Snowball Master. I have a reward for you, of course. Well, if we head back, we can get out of these clothes and do something a little more, fun to warm up. And that's what I love doing it. Your shyness is one of my favorite qualities. Let's get moving. Come on. The snowmobile shouldn't be too far from here. Then we can head back to the lodge. Damn it. I really don't like this wind. The storm's starting to hit, though. Stay close to me. We cannot get separated. Take my hand and don't let go. Do you hear me? We need to get out of here. Oh, great. A cave. This way. Come on. This way. Damn it. You okay? I know. We need to start a fire. I have the satellite phone. I can call for help, but with the storm this bad, we may need to wait it out for a bit. Most importantly, we need to get warm. Our backpacks were on that snowmobile, but I do have some supplies on me. Matches. I always carry matches with me. Yeah, well, now you're not gonna like this next part. We need to gather supplies for the fire. We need kindling. Twigs, branches, shavings, or bark. With the wind out there, though, we should be able to find some. They might be wet. No, I want you to stay here. Because you don't know your way around here. Stay with the phone. Call for help. I'm just gonna walk towards the entrance of the cave and see if I can find any kindling. I'll come back. Don't worry. Call for help. Kindling. Come on. Where is it? Some twigs. Okay, just a few, but should help. If I can get some more. My hands are so cold. Even with the gloves. Damn it. This isn't good. So much for romantic holiday getaway. It's gonna be okay, yeah. We're gonna be okay. Hey, I found some twigs and a few branches. They're wet, but we gotta try. Did you get a hold of someone? Good. We just gotta wait this out then. Come on. Light. Come on. Please? Oh, thank God. Okay. Fire's going. Come here. We need to get out of these wet clothes. Yes, all of them. We'll lay them by the fire to dry. get undressed. Now we wait. Come here. We'll conserve body heat this way. Besides, I promise you a romantic getaway. This wasn't a part of the plan, but... I'm so sorry for this. I should have checked the weather more carefully. Damn it, or kept us closest to the lodge. Yes, because I'm good in the snow doesn't mean I shouldn't have dragged you out into the forest. I know. And next vacation, we're going somewhere warm. Hawaii sounds perfect. Is this helping? I know. I had a blanket in the pack, but until the jacket is dry, we're gonna have to wait. I can imagine. Isn't this the moment where I'm supposed to say, well, I know one way to warm us up? Exactly. Just like a bad rated R movie. That's totally not what people, do. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about having you naked in my arms, but, I'm not gonna lie. This situation isn't very sexy. And I'd prefer a bed rather than a wet cave floor. And I love you. Is this helping a bit? Another? Okay. Let's save that for the lodge. Believe me, we're gonna spend the next day in bed after this mess. Room service, PJs, trashy TV, the whole 9 yards. Here, let me check the underwear. It's warm. Here, put it on. A few hours, I hope. Hopefully the storm will break soon. Just rest, love. I've got you. I'll keep watch. Oh, hey, no way. We're here. We're in here. No, we're all alright. Just a little worse for wear. Sure. We should get checked out, love, just to make sure. Promise. Bed, hot chocolate, and... yeah, that too. Never again. You heard me. Never again. Holidays should be spent in warm climates. But all things considered, we got out right perfectly. Oh, and here, I forgot, I promised you this. Famous hot chocolate, as promised. You deserve to be spoiled. Especially after this whole debacle. How is it? I use solid milk chocolate and cocoa powder, but it adds all the flavor. So, is it a stupid question to ask if you like the snow? Really? Even after all of this? Good. I'm glad. But the beach next time, though. Really? You want to pick off from where we last left off? Well, then come here. Happy holidays, sweetheart. Next year, you're picking the vacation. Definitely. Now, kiss me. And thank you to my channel members, Riverwood, Lila DE, Sin, Astrid Lemzer, Brianna Hose, Michaela Montany, Elizabeth, DJ Anderson, and Queen Alicia. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.